is just helping our other fellow coworkers out, since we do share a laundry and towels. We want to make sure that when we take towels, we either move the washing to the dryer or add a new washer in. Make sure you lock it. So we have our soap and our bleach. So we want to add our detergent, a cup like always, and then to the first our bleach. And then you just want to go ahead and press the start button.